Hi everybody, today I'm gonna react to Radical Living. He is a person who lives in Berlin and he made a video why you should learn German. Why you should learn German. Let's go! I indeed mastered most part of German. So it's you that have to learn this language. You don't know how much I'm happy because I did this language and I'm mastering it. You don't understand this feeling. It's such a powerful language. Let's go see this video. That's why we are here.
You need to learn German. You just don't know it yet.
Schmetterling!
After watching this video, you will have no more excuses not to study German.
After this video, you won't have any excuses why you shouldn't learn German. You have to learn it. Sorry for this too.
Wanna bet? It's not by chance that German is the language of poets and philosophers.
You need to take control of the life you're giving. Call me Uber, Mensch, 'cause I'm so...
There is no other language in the world that allows you to express your thoughts as exact. And with the following examples, I will show you why. In the German language, you can connect words endlessly, letting you create new words no one ever used before. This is amazing, I know, but the
Let me say some of them. Eichen soll Bruchstellen verursachen. This was the first one. Geschwindigkeitsbegrenzung Schilder. Der Badezimmerfensterreinigungsflasche. Tschechisches Streichholzschachtelchen.
longest official word has been until recently this one. Rindfleischetikettierungsüberwachungsau...
Rindfleischetikettierungsüberwachungsübertragungsgesetz. See how powerful this word is. You can't even say it. I can't even say it. That's such a professional language. If you can master this, you can master everything in your life. You can reach everything in your life. Oh, and so useful.
Aufgabenübertragungsgesetz, which describes a law dealing with the supervision of the labeling of beef. Beautiful, isn't it? That you can connect words like that is so efficient that most of the time you don't have to explain a situation or a status. There is most likely a word for it, just by connecting. Two nice little examples are verschlimmbessern, meaning making something worse while actually trying to make it better. Or the word Kummerspeck, literally grief bacon, referring to the excess weight that is gained from emotional overeating, especially during times of sadness. To be honest, it's just more fun and logic to structure language like that. It just makes so much more sense. Knowing that, will you still call German a difficult language? Most memes focus on the complicated aspects of the German language. But German has also a few words that simplify your everyday. Just take the word bitte. You can use this word in so many different situations. You just have to vocalize it differently. Bitte? Bitte. 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 Bitte? This...
You can hold the conversation with just bitte. You don't understand this. You don't understand this feeling.
These things are all fun and games, but you really want to learn German for the vast job opportunities that await you here. Rise and grind! The meeting starts in 2 minutes. Don't be late. Yeah, I'm coming. It is Europe's biggest and strongest economy after all. Maybe that's why German is the most widely spoken language in the European Union. Yes, it's almost 100 million people. It will also open your gateway to a world-class higher education with its countless universities, which by the way, are free of charge.
Sounds pretty communist if you ask me.
But you don't even have to go to Germany to use your German. Germans are everywhere.
Everywhere. Let me tell you, in Mallorca, in some of the American states, everywhere and more and more. Everywhere you see sun shines, they are there. Because they don't have sun in Germany. We don't even have it in the Netherlands. So when it's holiday, we always go to one place. I'm not German or Dutch, but I'm just telling how it is here, how people are.
They will find you. German citizens are some of the most travel hungry in the world. No matter if you're hiking a volcano in Guatemala, go on an African safari, or drive around the hinterland of India, you can be sure to meet a German there. In fact, German people are the record holder of money spent on international travel. And when you know German, that money may go in your pockets. If it's not money you're after, maybe it's love. And having a German partner will never make you lack romance. They will even sing for you.
Ohne dich kann ich nicht sein. Ohne dich. Mit dir bin ich auch allein. Ohne dich. Ohne dich.
If you're not convinced yet, something's seriously wrong with you. And before you start looking at shitty in-person German courses, wait.
And this was the video. So now you can go start a German course and learn it. Yes, you have to go. You have to start it today. Tomorrow is late. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and like and put comments. Viel Erfolg mit der deutschen Sprache.